Good morning, friends. Welcome to Azure Talks. So today we are here to understand about the web app and then followed by the app service plans. I will try to look it for how to troubleshoot and look for and monitoring. Okay. So what I have done is I have already created a web application. It is very easy process. If I want to show you how you can create, it is easy. Look for web app. All these options are also available like WordPress on app services with databases and static. However, we'll look for the web app today. Click on the web app and then keep your resource group. You can pick and choose any resource group. So let's suppose I have chosen this is resource group and then have a name like Umesh Pandit. Uh, okay, maybe I need to put Umesh Pandit is already taken. So I will put Dr. Umesh Pandit and here it is available. So you can have a try a unique host name. That is also possible. What you can do, it will be having a very unique name and it is actually based on your different host names which is available, but we can update it later on. We can have a custom domain. So let's move ahead on that point. Publication code, basically publish, you want to go for a static web app. So remember the option, we have the static web app that is also is possible. You can do the containerization or you can do with the code. So let's move ahead with the code. And runtime stack, you can basically choose .NET or any other. As soon as you choose the runtime stack Windows .NET, it actually takes the operating system as Windows. As soon as you choose Java, it will try to put it you on the Linux web server, which is fine. The reason we are selecting as East US. Now the app service plan is something very important to understand. Right now, will whatever it is showing you default, we can create it. We will look at the hardware size as well as the app service plan. That's the core goal today. We'll move ahead with that. As of now, we will take some smaller plan. We'll take it a basic one and then move ahead. And next, databases. In case you want to create the database, you can tick it and then it will ask you for the database servers and whatnot. Um, However, today's goal is not to create the web app. There is a method of creating the web app and hosting it on a particular domain. So that's we have already done it. You may have to find my video. I will try to add that URLs into my blog as well as on the video URL description. But definitely that's not the goal today. That's very simple to create a web app. Once the web app is created, it will look like this. Just wanted to fast track it and it will look like this. I have tried to edit it. There are two editing options. What you can do, you can either look it from the deployment center. Also, I think there was a, I used it, I used actually quick editing tool. This one app service editor tool, which is in the preview. I'm not sure whether it is publicly still available, but I use this to edit it. And after editing, it is looking like this. So just wanted to showcase that I was able to do it. Okay, let me downsize it. And then if you see, this is available for your usage. Now, we want to troubleshoot in the generally there is a issue comes in and generally people ask that, hey, what is the performance of the system? So how to check that? We have to go to the app service plan. When you are here, if you see it by default, it will show you the CPU percentage, memory percentage, data in and out, and data out, data in and out. Similarly, you can also go to the metrics, which is comes under the monitoring. Click on the monitoring, and you will be able to see this monitoring. Now, this monitoring is basically you are focusing on the metrics namespace. This is the scope which we have already selected it, or by default it is coming in. Now, based on which data you want to view or deep drive, you can look at it. So CPU. So it is, if you can see, the average is 35, but we can look for max as well. And over here it says that it reaches the 100% as well. So that's the core understanding, and this is the data for today, which is lasting for 24 hours. Okay, so this is one thing which I wanted to explain you. The second thing is over here people ask that, okay, our web app is reaching 100%, what's the next step, how we can troubleshoot it, or how we can scale up or scale out. You can also set up an alert in case you want to have the automatic alerting on this CPU condition reaching 100%. You can do that. I think that I will be covering in some time later today, maybe sometime in the next video. But today's is about understanding the scale out, scale up as well. So what you can do, you can go to the scale up and see what is the current plan. So the current plan, basically, if you see, the current plan is pointing to legacy standard as one, and it is costing me around 3,643 INR. So what I can do, I can go for a basic one. See, you will not be able to compare feature wise as in hardware size. Rather, I would say that look for the features which you are looking for, and then based on that, you can actually decide on the performance wise. So if you see the cost, yes, definitely this is cheaper, but what is the feature which we get? Let's see. So over here, if I try to go for features, okay, it is showing you that, let me change it to feature view. It is showing you that custom domain is available. Similarly, auto scaling is manual, rules elastic, and then rules elastic is been there. So with the help of the rules, you will be able to make it automatic, and custom domain is also available. Okay, so right now we were at this, which is also the same, but the zone redundant, it was not zone redundant, it is also not zone redundant, but still it is cheaper. Plus on top of it, it is also giving you a custom domain, and rest of them is looks very simple. The only thing is I would say that the hardware is getting lowered, but still you are getting the custom domain. So you can select and just downgrade it or upgrade it as and when it is required. Now I will also try to put some URLs for custom URL. So if you see, this URL can be converted to a custom URL, which there is a already video out at Azure Talks. I will try to put it on. Today's lesson was basically to understand about the app service plan. An app service plan basically gives you that what features, what hardware level it has been giving you the performance. Within that performance, within the default overview, you will be able to see the CPU percentage, memory percentage data in and out. Plus, on top of it, you can also go to the monitoring section and try to get your matrices converted. Like maybe you want to look for um, CPU, maybe memory percentage. So you can go ahead and look for memory percentage as well. It is an average. You can go for maximum and minimum as well. Okay. So hope this session was successful. Hope this success session was very useful for you, and thank you for making my channel successful. Thank you very much. Do like, subscribe, and try to share amongst your friends. Thank you. I will take off today. Bye bye.